This one's for Jeff. We're going to measure the doorpost here, the doorpost here, not the door itself. We already know that. That is 34 3/4 on that one. And this one here, when we look around, we'll turn it around. From the bottom here to there, it's 30 1/4. We'll go and measure the other side now. Alright, here we go on this side. This one's 30 1/2. This one here is 34 3/4.
What's it at the bottom?
Well, it should be parallel. 34 3/4. But you see, because this post here is a particularly nasty one, and this is pop riveted on, you can move that all over the bloody place. So you can only take a measurement here. That was the problem. Yep. So that's it. What's it at the top here? 30 1/4. 30 1/2. Queer, isn't it?
Very.
That's what you get with bolt together cars. Anyway, go and have a, I'll tell you what, we'll just have another look at the other side. And so here we are, we're having a look at the top of this one. 30 1/4. 30 1/4. So there we go, that's the best we can do. See you later.